so in love with Nisha, this forever. She a keeper and know she can be a diva. I do whatever to please her. My other half, my equal, it come to her, then I'm lethal. Ain't no Dolce without Nisha. Lord knows that I need you. Can't get my mind off Nisha. No matter where I go, I got my mind on Nisha. This forever, she a keeper. Ain't no Dolce without Nisha. Lord knows that I need you for real.
What's up, YouTube? What's up? DM Mafia, it's your boy Dolce, y'all. I'm back with another banger. Look, y'all, right now Nisha and Barbara in the house, y'all. I might act like we about to go to the store, and then I'm gonna act like we about to go to the car wash first, though. I'm about to prank their ass, y'all. Y'all know they got me yesterday with the love prank, like they was trying to fight and argue and all that. And y'all know Nisha got me with the car wash prank. So I decided I'm about to get her ass back, and I'm about to get him too. So why not get her with the car wash prank? Banger. You feel me? Let this video get 3,000. No, get this video 10,000 likes, because y'all already know this is a revenge prank, y'all. This is a banger right here. Y'all know it's about to be a banger, so I'm gonna get back with y'all as soon as we get it going, gang. All right, y'all, here they come, y'all. Here they come. I'm gonna turn the AC down once they come, because it's hot as hell in the Texas, y'all. About 97 degrees out here. It's crazy. This is about to be a banger, y'all. This is a motherfucking revenge. You ain't about to just get me there. They pranked me yesterday too. You feel me? It's revenge. Definitely revenge. What they thought. Here they come too. Here they come. Nisha first. Me and Barbara. I see him. You got dirt on your door? Grass stains and shit?
That was Jaylani, but
dirt and grass stains and shit?
You dirt and grass stains.
Your mama.
Your daddy.
Your sister.
Your bald-headed granny.
Ain't no way y'all got me sitting in the back.
What are you supposed to say?
Yeah.
You always getting that bad little ninja. Little ninja.
You probably scoot over in the middle a little bit so your knees don't be, like, you ain't gotta get all the way in the middle. You can scoot over back up. Yeah, because I don't want your knees rubbing all over in the seat. You feel me? It's hard as fuck.
No, you don't feel you.
You got the seat far as fuck back?
I'm up. What y'all want me to do? Sit on the damn dashboard?
My breath stink?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
Shit.
Onions.
Smell like shit.
Like nothing.
But doodle.
Your mama.
Smell like ass.
I ain't about to just sit here and just double team me. Something about your ass.
It smell like onions, burnt ass, sweaty balls.
No, you smell like sweaty balls. I just took a shower.
Did you?
I just took a shower.
Did you?
Fresh out
Robert, you don't be taking a shower. You be sitting on the toilet with the water running.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
I don't be doing it.
Robert definitely be sitting on the toilet with the water running. He wet his feet, then he'll put some love. He'll take his rag.
And slap his back.
Yeah, smack.
Oh, that's nice.
Smack his body, so he'd be like, let me smell you. He'll give you the part that he smacked, that he smacked.
Hold on, no, that's a whole, what's the name?
What?
Y'all giving a whole description of what you probably just did.
No. You probably giving what you just did. Think you a grown man or something, like you ain't gotta put your seatbelt on in the back. Get in the car seat.
Okay.
It is on.
You in your car seat?
Oh, your seatbelt is on, huh?
You in your car seat?
Niggas don't even wear seatbelts in the back seat.
I never did.
Like what that'll save you though back there. Like for kids, like you a kid though. Like you ain't grown enough.
Right.
You like an adult.
You ain't no adult.
You big like an adult, but you like a kid though.
That nigga's a kid.
You know that? He started like, I'm not a kid. I'm not a kid.
Barely.
Yeah,
young boy. You're not supposed to be young man, young boy.
Young boy. There's a lot of bumps over here and shit.
You a lot of bumps.
Yeah, mama, a lot of bumps.
Hey, I lost my back piece jumping in that pool. That shit be fun though.
That shit do be fun when you wake up with all the kids. And take me and your brother.
I don't feel like getting back in the shower right now.
Okay.
Yeah, shit.
I'm gonna get in the night when I do my night jog.
Hey, I'm gonna do a night jog too. You trying to jog, brother?
Might as well.
Yeah, I'm about to
Get
jog.
it. Let's
I'm gonna
get
jog
it.
tonight, so then I'm gonna take my little shower tonight, comfortable. Me and Nisha jogged this morning. Did you know?
Huh?
You know me and Nisha was jogging this morning.
I always oversleep. Well, I don't oversleep. I wake up for like at least 10 minutes and I go right back to sleep.
See, y'all ain't got no time to get up though. It's the summer, you feel me? Just don't sleep your day away. Oh yeah, that's for sure. I'll beat your ass. I'll beat your ass.
I'm gonna come out there and splash water on y'all in the morning.
Yeah, fuck you think. You about to just lay in the bed, comfortably. I said comfortably.
Brother a true teenager though, he be off in the cut.
Yeah, you don't even mess with the little kids. Like, fuck y'all.
No, he'll play for a little bit. No, didn't you say you want to play with some toys though? Or is that Dario?
No, Berber like playing with toys. Berber always play with toys. Berber the toy kid magnet. It's like, look at this little dude. He want to beat Berber ass.
No.
You think you can beat him? You know how to fight?
Yeah.
You know how to fight.
Yes, I do.
Let me see.
Did you ever tell your daddy about that story you and your mom was telling me?
What story?
About the 5 dudes trying to jump you?
Oh yeah.
You ain't tell me.
No, I know I didn't. What's the name? So he is in there.
Boy, you better start telling your daddy
You gotta
stuff.
start telling me your little fight stories and shit.
My mom told you, so then she had said it. It wasn't really a fight though. They was being so for real. We was at Darion practice, football practice. Cause my season was over. It's his little thing.
And they were just trying to work.
Yeah, his whole team. So I had said, all right,
What you was doing?
swinging dudes around.
Oh, y'all was fighting?
Yeah, it was 5 dudes trying to jump you.
I wasn't playing with them.
Oh, yeah, so what happened? What happened? Shit, you ain't never tell me.
So I'm just
Shit,
chilling.
you supposed to be telling me. You supposed to call me first. Like, I was just whooping some niggas.
Exactly.
You feel me?
When they was telling, I'm like, well, dang, when this happened? I ain't
Yeah.
never heard that story.
I ain't never heard it either. So what happened?
So we just over there chilling. Me and my mom out of nowhere. I'm gonna walk up to get my stuff and fell on the ground. They going for their little water break after practice. Dudes on they skip water break and come straight for me. I'm like, what is y'all doing? One dude gonna try to grab me. I had to kick him. Other dude gonna come out of nowhere try to tackle me. I had to that dude to the ground. All the other dudes just came over there. And that's when I started punching, throwing, swinging.
You want knocking dudes down?
That's all it was.
You
My
what?
whole jacket got ripped too.
What?
Had to throw it away.
You was getting hit?
Huh?
You was getting hit.
I was eating them though.
So who was there? Your mama was there?
Yeah, she said she was trying to.
She ain't do
She
nothing?
was about to call Darion. No, she ain't.
He was about to call Darion, but I had it by myself.
She said she was like he was holding his own, so she was like, okay, let me see what he can do.
No, that's 5 niggas.
Yeah.
Shit, I would have been out there fighting too. Shit, you got me fucked up.
Yeah, I'm gonna be fighting for my kids. I ain't girls, dudes. I ain't about to let none of my kids get jumped.
You feel me?
Yeah.
Where you pay for this at out here? You gotta go around.
I ain't been to the car wash in a minute.
You know you about to get in there now.
Yeah, I think it's this way.
Car wash entrance. Vacuums. Vacuums these nuts, yeah. Oh, yeah, this is it.
In a movie or something.
They better get this little kid.
Oh yeah, what he doing? Yeah.
Oh, they even got the spray bottles up here for you to clean your windows.
Oh, they
this
do?
lit up here.
Yeah, this one way better.
We need to come up here.
We need to come up here. Superb, you feel me? Fitness models. Look at, what's this?
I don't know.
Shall I pull up and see?
They got different things.
Happy Independence Day, we will be
Do they say?
It's already paid for now. This is our perfect little car wash to go to. Cause this bitch, so what I'm gonna do, put it in neutral?
He gonna tell you. Why you ain't never went to a car wash?
Cause I ain't never drive, shit.
Well, start driving.
Oh, that's that. Car neutral head,
Now they scrubbing it.
Yeah, they gotta do what they gotta do, you feel me? Screw what they gotta screw.
Damn.
Oh damn, shit, the fuck? They
I feel
clean
like
the
it
windows and
was
shit.
Okay, scrub that car. What?
Oh, they just do the front.
What? You ain't do this side?
Yeah, that's grimy shit.
You about to come and do it.
Well, yeah, you about to send us on about our business. Goofy ass. Oh, you want to do the back? Oh, he better.
No, he let us roll first, you feel
No,
me?
he better.
Let us
Oh,
roll.
he better.
Oh, he better.
Toot that
Now, this shit just
thing.
drive by itself. This shit, let me see. Oh, well, bro, you can't even toot it because Brett right here.
Your dumb ass. No, you saying?
Brett can't even get tooted on. But I know
What?
Brett,
What
not
the-
by you.
You got the spotlight in this bitch.
What the fuck?
We ain't never been to this one. Danny,
wait,
shut! Don't do that dumb
whoa,
shit. Don't
whoa.
do that, Danny. Don't do that. Come on.
That was a mistake.
That was
Dumbass.
not.
That was a mistake. No, my finger hit the button.
No, you did. That was
And
not a
they got all
mistake.
on you.
Yeah,
Damn.
my finger hit the button.
What is you
My
doing?
finger hit the button.
Don't throw that! No! Stop! Dumb ass! Stop!
Damn, I thought that was.
Why is you Daddy, stop! You play too
Oh, the
much
window
at
won't go
once.
up. The window won't go
Turn it
up.
out, Daddy!
Listen, the window won't go
Come on,
up.
stop fucking
Hey,
playing with me. Damn,
I
I'm
promise.
gonna ready as fuck.
I promise the window won't go up.
Oh my god! Why is you playing? Look at all this fucking sound!
I'm trying to get the window to go up. The shit ain't going up.
Oh, this stuff in here.
Oh, it's so hot!
Come on.
Oh my god! You crazy!
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Why
take it out, bro.
Just
Wait till we get out.
do that?
Hold on, just drive now. Just drive now. Drive now. Revenge is a bitch. Revenge is a bitch.
It's still coming.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You feel me?
It ain't funny.
What is you doing?
Yeah, motherfucker.
What is you doing?
Look at this shit. You wet up all this milk.
I gotta go.
The
Oh
whole
my God.
The whole car.
Let me get out and look and see what the car look like. Oh, they got a truck coming in anyway.
That
Let me
shit
see
grimy,
what this
my
bitch
whole
look like.
side wet. That shit aggravating the
Look
fuck.
good.
He played too much. We gotta get him the fuck back.
I got a good idea.
That shit is
I got a good old background.
Yeah, we gotta get his ass good.
Ain't no way.
That shit,
look
now
good.
look at this shit.
Like, what
Damn.
back here? What is you? Like the whole
I just got my revenge though.
Revenge.
I got my
for what?
revenge from when NESHA pranked me and got me in here. The camera rolling.
I don't give
You
a
feel me? And when y'all just pranked me yesterday, you got me fucked up.
Man, the prank yesterday wasn't even that bad.
It was bad.
That
Enough.
blower hurt my fucking ears.
You got me
man.
fucked
That
up.
shit is so
I don't give a
grimy.
fuck, dog. Got me. Hey,
Like, oh, you
Hey.
tweaked. Really tweaking.
That
Like I
shit
said last
grimy
time.
as
no, y'all
fuck.
saw it.
Tweaking.
You
My whole
tweaking.
Like my
fucking
Crocs
seat.
and stuff.
You got on Crocs. That mean they like a plastic material. That
This
mean
my
that
whole fucking side of here is itchy and
Like,
wet.
oh well, I'm
Soaking.
itchy too. I got wet a
I'm
little bit too.
soaking
Fuck it though.
This
That's how we do.
fucking
That's how we do in Prank War City.
Okay.
Prank War City. Fuck.
Oh,
I hope you ready. I swear to God, be prepared.
I'm ready.
You know you
You
know.
pranked me.
Just be ready.
Okay.
bro. I'm
You
trying
pranked
to
me.
tell
You pranked me, so I got you back.
No.
Okay.
And I got you too, bro. So what you saying?
Just be ready.
You can't do nothing.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, be sweet. Stay tuned like they say in the movies.
Y'all salty.
Yeah, I am. I'm aggravated.
Y'all sorry, I just got y'all good as hell. Nah.
I just wanna-
That's revenge, y'all.
Hit me in the face.
That ain't nothing but revenge. I had to get both of them, and I had to get NESHA good as fuck because she pranked me like this.
Okay.
Y'all, so like this video up, get this video to 5,000, 10,000
I
likes.
just got out the shower.
10,000, I did
We
too.
just got out the shower.
I did too.
We
Get back in the
just
shower.
got out the
Like,
shower.
That mean this was an excellent prank.
That shit crazy.
Excellent. And y'all see me screaming. Happy as fuck because I got them good, y'all. Nah.
That shit
Nah.
hurted.
Nah.
That shit hurted my ears.
Nah.
My
That
ears
shit hurted.
hurt.
That shit hurty.
No, because seriously, I was just all under the water. Plus, you that blower in my ears. I was trying to make me dead.
Are you good then? I blew the water out.
No, it didn't.
All right, so I'm about to end this video right here, man. I love y'all, man. I seen
Put your
Dolce in the
seatbelt back on
building.
before you fly out.
I ain't flying out shit. But I love y'all, man. I seen Dolce in the building. I just pranked their ass. They mad as hell. They both mad as hell, you feel me?
Yeah, because I just washed up.
Well,
Exactly.
you gotta go watch them again. Fuck. I'm the big bully today. Let's get it.
All right.
Gang.